Hello everybody and welcome back to Final Fantasy 3 Pixel Remastered. We destroyed the big boulder in Neld Valley, so I will scavenge all the secrets here in this area before we go forward in the game. Okay. I need to do that. Let's scavenge around for now, so we can get some new things in this area. Let's look at the secrets. Okay. Let's go. Ocean. Okay. Back attack again. Ow. Ambush. Ew. Ow. Later, Mystic Knight. See that candle furthest to the right? It's actually the switch for us. Hidden door. Hidden door, eh? No. Okay. Okay. Alright. Long sword. Leather armor, dagger. Cure. Leather armor. Noise. There you go. $900. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, thank you. Next, we are going to Kazus. There are many secrets there. Boink. Let's go here. Okay. Oh. Stuff. Zeus Rat. Mithril Helm. Mithril Helm? What the? Okay. Potion. Later we will go in that mine. The Mithril mine. Okay. Ew. Dead. Dead. Okay. Potion, nice. 1,000. Nice. Is this the town? Canaan. Thanks for all your help. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. Come to think of it, if I can put together another airship, I bet you could put it through its paces. But we'll need to make a few design improvements. And no one knows more about that stuff more than King Argus. You should go see him. Anyway, thanks again. Come back to visit anytime. King Argus, where are we go? Okay. Oh. I hear that long ago a traveling mage hid some medicinal herbs in town. As for the wheres and wherefores, who knows? I've never been myself, but they say there's a known village in the forest down south. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get the sword and arrow. Okay. A traveler named Desh wandered into town recently, but he didn't stick around. I'm not sure where he was headed. If you use mini spell, you can turn into a gnome-sized version of yourself. I sold my last one to a young man named Desh. Alright. Betrayal. Okay. Wait, what? Shield. Okay. There it is. Okay. Oh wait. Ow. I'm glad you stopped by. You see, my wife fell ill while I was away. Come on, honey, you'll pull through. If only I had an elixir. Wow. Good. Wait, is there any magic for him? Cure. Wait, what? That's ironic. Thunder, poison, blind. Okay. Hero is a white magic spell that lets you manipulate the wind to damage your enemy. Flying monsters hate it. Alright, thank you. Hero. Oh, I'm the second to tell. See me dance. Okay. There you go. Ow. Okay, let's give it to the... Ow, rude. Oh, this is the house. I'm glad you stopped by, see my wife. Okay. Okay. Wait. Heavens above, I'm cured. Thank you. Oh, thank you. You went out of your way to help my husband and me. I can't thank you enough. Looks like I owe you one again. Does that mean I owe you two? I know. Give this candle behind me a jiggle. It open the way to the hangar where I used to park the old ship. Help yourselves to anything you find down there. Oh. Well, at least we help someone. Ha! Iron arrow, gold needle, phoenix down, blind, great bow, gnomish bread, potion, gnomish bread again, phoenix down, gold needle, potion again, high potion. Holy moly! Holy moly! Give this candle. Ow. Oh wait, what the? Okay, let's go. What was the next quest? Oh, I'm so lonely here without you. You traveled south to Dragon's Peak where the dragons roost. I miss you so. Oh, partner of Desh, I think. Desh or something. First that scoundrel Desh turns my Salina's head. Then he ups and leaves town and he said he had something to find in a hurry. My Salina was always such a sweet girl. Now, the poor thing cries herself to sleep at night. Yep, indeed. Not gonna lie, your son-in-law was... okay. There you go. It's kind of a dick. Okay. Portigil. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait. I will stop. Then I'm back, everybody. Just came. I'm just exploring. I am just looking at a guide for me to look at, so I know what direction I should do. Wink. There we go. For now, we will, I think, we will need to go here. I think. Okay, Bahamut. Alright then. For now, test. Okay. Ow. What the hell? Oh my god. Again, this... Ah. Oh man. Gold needle. Oh, everyone. Okay. Ew. Okay, nice. Okay, good needle. Good. Ew. Okay. Arrow. Okay. It's white magic, right? They said. They said it's... oh yeah. Yeah, this is the one. Oh wow. Okay. What's that? Wow, how the heck did you guys get up here? Wait, don't tell me you got captured by the dragon too. Didn't you? Ha, losers. That's rich coming from the dragon's next meal. Touché, I guess you're right. Hahaha. My name's Desh. I'm Marcos. Gonna be upfront with you all. I've got amnesia. Can't remember a thing except my own name. I know that I came up here for a reason. I just don't remember what it is. Uh-oh, the dragon's back. Hide. A dragon attacks from the sky. We don't stand a chance against it. We gonna run. Run for your lives. Oh my god. Arrow. Ice. Ow. What the hell? What the hell, dude? Okay, let's repeat the playthrough. We will run. I forgot to I forgot what to do. Man. I really suck at this game, huh? Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There you go. Okay. What the ah! Excuse me. My God. The hell, Mike? Why did you jump? Okay. Alright, let's run from them. Let's run from Bahamut. God dang it. Yeesh, ow. What's that? Ah, okay. Okay. Okay, let's run. Oh my God, okay. Phew, that was close. Come on, let's get out of here. Agree. Here, you can have this. It's a spell called Mini. I don't think I've got the magic know-how to use it anyway. In exchange, mind if I tag along on your journey? Sure, if that's what you want to do. Good then, it's settled. Glad to know you all. Receive Mini from Desh. And Desh, join the party. Okay. Let's get going. We can jump down Geronimo. Oh my God. Wait, what? I'm a gnome from Tosus Forest. To the south here, draw water from this magic wellspring. You're welcome to pay us a visit, but you'll need to cast Mini on yourselves first. We can have we can't have big folk smashing the place up. Of course. Okay. 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 Okay, nice. Tozus. Not a familiar face among the lot of you. There's a tunnel that runs through the Miranos range. You can use it to get to Miralca Basin, home of the Vikings. Dr. Shelko knows all about the tunnel to Miralca Basin. Where all gnomes here can find a friendlier bunch, no sorry. Okay. Okay. If you shrink yourself with the mini spell, your defense falls to 1. Probably best if you fall back during battles. You're blessed with the crystal's power, right? That this bear is here with 3 black mages in the party if you ask me. Wow, get a load how tiny I am. But now I can't use my serve. Guess I'm gonna fight with magic or nothing. Okay. Please, we didn't encounter someone. One bite of gnomish bread, the whole world will be spread out below you, far out. Gnomish bread has a magical properties. It's got the same effect as the sight spell. The living woods are somewhere out there in the world. I hear the fairies that live there are the cutest things. Something's matter with Dr. Shelko. He says his tummy hurts. He's our only doctor. There's no way he can trip himself in that condition. Can I do for you? 1, 2. Black mage, nice. Okay. Cure. Okay. Wow. I need an antidote. Okay. That hit the spot. Something I ate really didn't agree with me to save my life. In return, I'll tell you about the shortcut to Meralca Basin. Just take stairs over here. They lead to straight to the secret tunnel. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Before we go there. Oh, Tosus Tunnel B2. Okay. Let's avoid. Okay, let's avoid fighting for now because we are tiny as shit. Okay, nice. Escape. Hope. Vikings Cove. Okay, nice. Alright. Vikings Cove. We're Vikings, pillagers of the open sea, or, well, we used to be. A wily old sea dragon showed up after the earthquake and wrecked all our ships. All but one. The Enterprise was spared, but we can't set sail with that monster still out there. Shish me. Just resting my eyes. 300 gil. Thank you for that. Tremendous. This grog is the only thing holding me together. Viking ain't a Viking unless he's hailing the ocean waves. The boss ain't got a clue how to handle the sea dragon. How's a Viking supposed to fight a monster like that? That building on the cape is Neptune Temple. Pop Sota know more about it. Ask him. Worry? Can I do for you? Potion. Poison. If 40 steel. Ay, ay, ay. Hard to sleep very well. Okay. Still. Knew it. I wasn't hiding. I wasn't hiding. No. I was just waiting for Popsa, that's all. I don't care. I ain't boarding Enterprise even if it is worthy. That sea dragon will just come after us. I won't get on a boat right now if I were you. Everyone who sails along the coast gets attacked by the sea dragon. It must be the legendary Neptune dragon from the temple. There's no other explanation. I've tried everything but I just can't win against that sea dragon. If you get rid of that monster, I'll give you anything. I even give you Enterprise. You get a deal. Looking for the boss? That's him over there. He's become a totally about. Okay. Okay. What the hell? Ah, okay. This one. Ah, okay. Lizara. Fira. Tandara. Fira. Lizara. Tandara. There you go. Choose. Okay. 300 gil, 300 gil. Sure as you're born, I'm the oldest Viking here. I know more than most about Neptodragon. That vicious beast is meant to sleep in its temple for eternity. But ever since the great earthquake, something's roused the dragon from its slumber. Now, it ravages any ship that sails the seas. Okay. It's like you all know what you're doing. I think I'll come along. You very ready come along here. Okay. Okay. That's the spring, alright. I ain't boarding any. Okay. Okay, let's go for now here. Wait for me. It's a statue of the Heptadragon, but one of the eyes is missing. There seems to be tiny passageway there where the eye used to be. Maybe we can fit if we use the mini spell. Of course, we will use that thing. Okay. Dead. Okay. That's boom. Okay. Okay. Let's use the mini for all of them. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay, everyone is miniatures. Let's go. The party enters through to the dragon's eye socket. Okay. Okay, nice. We still need to profit on this level. Ew. Ew. Fa. Serpent sword. Nice. Okay. That's the boss area. Go. Boom. Let's check this one first. Shell helm. Shell armor. Okay. Shell helm. Ew. No. Oh, okay, shit. Okay. It's a giant rat. No, 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 no gem for you. I'll nibble anyone who tries to take it. Squeak. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. Mhm. Boom. Okay. Well, dead. We are dead. We should fall back. We will fight them later on. Let's flee. This is useless. Okay, alright. Okay, I don't care. How? Oh. Mm-hmm. Fira. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. I'm dead. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Man. Okay, I cannot fight them for now. I cannot fight him for now. Alright. Oh. Okay. Okay. Where okay. Okay. Okay, alright. Oh. Pa yan. Aba yan. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Ah, nice. We defeated it. Nice. Zosrat. Nepto ay dun. Ow. Okay. 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 Mhm. 600. There you go. Okay, then. Okay. Okay. 3,000. There you go. Okay. Okay, watch. This is the end of the episode. Huh? Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody. Deus Volt, and bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears.